Building intelligent corridor surfaces and volume models in Civil 3D, created by Ahmed Dumur. Welcome to this lesson. In modern road design, the surface of a corridor is more than a geometry layer. It's a digital twin of a reality. Each model surface, whether the pavement top, the base, or the subgrade, holds valuable engineering data that directly influences construction cost, material estimation, and design validation. Understanding the corridor as a layer structure. Civil 3D corridors are structured from assemblies composed of sub-assemblies such as a lane, shoulder, and daylight. Each of these components contains points, links, and codes, digital labels that define surfaces within your design. First, layer, top, finish grade, typical link code as top, purpose, final visible road surface. Pavement as pave, asphalt or concrete wiring course, base, aggregate base course, subbase as compact lower foundation, datum as bottom design element for cut or fill. By reading these link codes, Civil 3D knows how to build surfaces that represent each layer of the corridor in 3D. Prepare conform corridor and subassembly codes. First, open your Civil 3D drawing and make sure the corridor exists from perspective in alignment and center line alignments, road B, this road, and open subassembly here, assembly 1 as shown for this road, and conform the link codes for the layers you want to extract, top, pave, and conform the link codes for the layers you want to extract, top as pave 1 and pave 2, base, and subbase. If codes differ, note the extract code names. You must use the same code when creating surfaces. Create corridor surfaces from corridor properties. This is the most control method good for a small number of surfaces. First, select corridor surfaces. In surfaces, click here to create surface and name it as top surface and surface style as 1 meter and 5 meter contours. In render material, change it to sidewalk paving surfacing asphalt for top layer. In overhang correction, select top link, code for finish pavement. After that, add link, select data type links and specify code as top, then add surface item. We will create a number of surfaces according to the layers that make up the cross-section of the assembly. Click OK to build the top surface and return to assembly here in lane super elevation, help, and you can show the shape pave 1 and pave 2 base and subbase. L1 top of pave 1 as top and L2 for pave 2, surface for pave 2 and base for L3 and subbase L4. Close it. We will create another surface as pave 2. return to Corridor from Properties. In Surfaces, click here to create another surface. Name it as Pave 2. And from Render Material, leave rendering material asphalt or slightly different asphalt texture. Okay. In data type link, select Pave 2 and add. Then create base, and in render material, select gravel all mixed, and OK. And in links, select base, then add to base. Finally, subbase, gravel, then OK. And link as subbase. After adding all desired surfaces, click apply and then rebuild the corridor and OK. Return to road as shown here, and from surfaces, base, existing ground, pave 2, sub base, and top surfaces. Now add boundaries to the surface corridor and remove random surfaces and lines. Return to corridors and properties. In boundaries, in top surfaces, select point. To know the outer boundaries of each part in top or pave 2, base or subbase, we must refer to the properties and definition of each cross-section in the upper surfaces. Now return to shoulder. In shoulder extend, select help. In pave 1, point P3 here, P3 or P2, P2 EPS, edge of paved shoulder finished grade. For that, return to boundary in corridor and select add automatic EPS for top surface. Then click OK and rebuild and return to shoulder. Then help in pave 2, P4, APS pave 1, also in base in this layer P13, APS pave 2, and in subbase P11 daily light. Return to corridor, then add in pave 2, select APS pave 2, and in base add APS base, and subbase select daylight. Then apply and rebuild, then click OK. As shown, object viewer and 3D checks, select surface and select object viewer, the surface for top surface, select corridor and object viewer, then choose realistic and zoom to the road, this daylight and shoulder and paved as shown. Thank you for watching. See you in next lesson.